In this video, we are going to hack Windows XP Service Pack 3 using a loophole or one built-in 3-com TFTP service. So I will first open my Metasploit. For this, we are having a virtual machine here, and we have downloaded the 3-com TFTP server. I will show you how to transport this file to your machine. First of all, you need to open your browser and go to exploit-db and search 3-com TFTP, and here you will find the exploit, and you can download it from here. After downloading it, you can transport it via this command. So basically, this will open up start your HTTP server, and you can browse this link from the client machine like this. So it will show you the directory. Click on downloads, and here is the zip file. You need to download it and extract it. After extracting it, go to this folder and copy this file and place this file in my computer, C drive, Windows. And then you go to your, again, this my document. This is an install file that will show you how to install it. So go to your command prompt and execute this command. This will install it. And then you need to open this and then click on start services. I've already done this. I can show you my services is already working. By going to services.msc. Here is the service 3-com TFTP server and status is started. Now it's time to exploit this vulnerability. So go to your Kali Linux machine and use this exploit. So click on info, or select info command, and you can see the target is 3-com TFTP service 2.0.1. So this module exploits stack buffer vulnerability in this particular version, and we can get the options which are required to satisfy this exploit. So we only need the IP of the target machine. So I already have the IP. So just type set rhost and the IP of the target machine, and then click and then enter run. So this will open a Metasploit session, and you can further. So already this is running under the system alias, so no need to get privileges already. You can get the privileges as an administrator user. So further exploit this system, you need the help command. So in this video, I am going to use this command screen share that will show you the live screen of this of the target machine. So type here screen share. So this will open the target machine. Whatever the target is doing, you can see live here on your Kali Linux desktop. So this is how the exploitation works. Thanks for watching.